In the case of Junnelle Broomfield, her recent statements about fearing for her safety in Jamaica and her desire not to represent Jamaica anymore raise several questions about her motivations and the feasibility of such a move. While she claims to have received threats that make her afraid to return to Jamaica, many might view this as a strategic maneuver rather than a legitimate reason for switching countries. Broomfield's fear could be perceived as an attempt to leverage the rules governing athlete transfers. According to World Athletics, if an athlete can demonstrate exceptional circumstances, such as genuine threats or safety concerns, they might be eligible to reduce the standard 3-year waiting period to 1 year. However, without substantial evidence to support her claims, skepticism about her motives is understandable, especially given her status as a non-top-tier athlete. As it stands, Broomfield's desire not to represent Jamaica anymore seems complicated. The U.S. track and field scene is highly competitive, particularly in the 400 meters, with a strong lineup of younger, faster athletes. Given her age, if she were to serve the full 3-year waiting period, she would be 29 by the time she could compete for the U.S. This timeline makes it increasingly unlikely that she would secure a spot on the team, especially without the performances to back it up. Broomfield's public statements about not wishing to represent Jamaica further complicate her situation. In a sport where dedication and national pride play significant roles, her perceived willingness to dismiss her Jamaican heritage in favor of a potentially more lucrative or favorable opportunity may not resonate well with fans or fellow athletes. Ultimately, if her intention is to switch allegiance under the guise of safety concerns, it could be viewed as a low blow that undermines Jamaica. The U.S. may not be interested in athletes who do not consistently perform at the highest levels, and without proving herself as a viable competitor, Broomfield risks being sidelined in an increasingly competitive landscape. Therefore, her path forward appears challenging, and she may need to reassess her options and strategy if she truly wishes to continue her athletic career.